Hello and welcome to my ukulele friends, and thanks for joining me here today for this really easy tutorial on one chord songs. If you don't need to hear my speech at the start, then feel free to use the timestamps below to skip on through to the songs. Don't forget to stick around to the end, to the juicy part, where I use these songs in rounds and partner songs. I hope you get a lot of value out of this, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. The reason I'm sharing these one chord songs with you today are because these are really great to use to practice your singing, because you don't need to focus on changing chords. All you need to do is focus on either single strums or picking patterns. So it can also be really good to tie into your practice routine for developing picking patterns, strumming patterns, or singing along. In this tutorial, I'll be demonstrating 8 easy songs that can be played with just one chord. These songs will include beautiful traditional songs from around the world, as well as some classic nursery rhymes. 5 of these songs will be in a major key, so you can actually play them with any major chord, and 3 will be played in a minor key, so they can be played with any minor chord. When you play just one chord or note throughout a whole song repetitively, it's known as a drone. There are a lot of more contemporary songs that use just one chord, but today I'm focusing on the traditional ones as they just loop the same lyrics again and again, which really allows you to hone in on essential skills, such as strumming, picking, and singing, to help you move forward in this ukulele journey. Each song in this video can be sung as a round, also known as a canon, and I'll use some to demonstrate. This means you can have another person or group sing the same song starting in a different time. Or you can do this all by yourself using an app like Acapella, or like I am using a loop pedal like the Roland Boss RC-300. If you want more information about these songs, check out the description below. Due to these being traditional songs, there'll be many variations throughout time and place. So the versions that you may know may be different to the versions that I show you today. However, I'm sure any variation of these songs can be used over the same one chord drones. I'm going to start by creating a loop track to show you different ways that you could play the chords over this song. And I'll be using my bass guitar today. I don't have a ukulele bass, but if you have a ukulele bass in your classroom, at your home, or in your ukulele group, you can incorporate this into a warm-up routine. I'll start by creating the backing track, so you know different variations you can use to play these songs. I'll be using my Roland TR-808 Rhythm Performer to keep a backing beat. The following 3 songs I'll be using A minor. These can be sung as a round by themselves, or they can be sung all over the top of each other as partner songs. I'll start by creating the backing track, so you know different variations you can use to play these songs. rose red. Will I ever see thee when I will marry at thy will if I must wear? Hey ho, nobody's home. Eat no drink, no money have I none. Still will I be very merry. Hey ho, nobody's home. Ah, poor bird, take thy flight far above the sorrows of this sad night. Rose, 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 when will I ever see thee when I will marry at thy will? This I must win. Rose, rose, nobody's home. Eat no drink, no money have I none. Till I be very, very yes, I nobody's home. Rose, rose, nobody's home. Till I see thee. Till I be very, very yes, I nobody's home. Our poor bird is around. Our poor bird, take thy flight far above the sorrows of this sad night. Our poor bird, take thy flight far above the sorrows of this sad night. Take thy flight. Top of bird, take thy flight far above the sorrows of this sad night. Take thy flight, take thy sorrows far above the sorrows of this sad night. Rose red is around. Rose, 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 will I ever see thee when I will marry at thy will if I must win? Rose, 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 will I ever see thee when? Will I ever see thee when I will marry at thy will if I must win? Will I ever see thee when? Will I ever see thee when? Rose, 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 will I ever see thee when I will marry at thy will if I see thee when? Hey ho, nobody's home as a round. Hey ho, nobody's home. Eat no drink, no money have I none. Still will I be very merry. Hey ho, nobody's home. Hey ho, nobody's home. Hey ho, nobody's home. Eat no drink, no money have I none. Still will I be very merry. Hey ho, nobody's home. No drink, no money have I none. Still will I be very merry. Still will I be very merry. Hey ho, nobody's home. Hey ho, nobody's home. Belly Mama as a round. Belly Mama, hey. Belly Mama, hey. Belly Mama, belly Mama, belly Mama, belly Mama, belly Mama, belly Mama, hey. Belly Mama, belly Mama, belly Mama, belly Mama, hey. Belly Mama, belly Mama, belly Mama, hey. Belly Mama, belly Mama, belly Mama, belly Mama, belly Mama, belly Mama, hey. Belly Mama, belly Mama, belly Mama. to know if you know of any other one-chord drone songs. Let me know in the comments below. If you got any value out of this content today, please do not forget to give this video a like and subscribe. It helps me reach new people and helps make this channel grow, so creating this content can be a viable option for me into the future. You can also visit me on patreon.com/youandbree and become a part of my Patreon crew. If you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to reach out. I'd love to hear from you. Comment below. Don't forget to check out my videos here, and subscribe here.